Ebusia enkomo bi akoso wa Afro City Extra na san komo for Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah and afin no Archbishop Nicholas Danta Williams so edin so epio mebusa meso se ne dem a obi subscribe my page no mi adomanso me se na me upload bi na onsa ebitima ka na afin so person multi as I say open register me tuma GHN number 1 ebusia from the beginning of this week video better mountain so no me di can be di come say and share Prophet obe trending here on trendy bida because den komo na wakodi no eyen komo a akanko fa koma amankofo gafokin was social media so then come okodi ye no na come mu nsem ana yawa odie to ko hwegu na so dem was say ne sorry man better ase hu ni say oda hu di yaw over 2 years or 3 years ni no oda hu di yaw over the same thing former IGP Bempah ye no Dr. Bawumia nanado na afin so no chairman wontumi ebusia san komodi okodi ye and some o kan ye no na no she acknowledge to the sense even Muslims ebuefu Christians into Bufu and after so NDC for Crampuna Omumpe MP for 7 no and the NDC for in your sympathy and MP all because of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or my as the flag bearer of the party. Now Ebusia san come away air no on social media now ko PM for Afro City Extra Ebusia omedi come on more chese Archbishop Nicholas Danta Williams ebedi come say National Cathedral President Nanado de Baye no Ofrimu because of Sikedie be a cause. But the question say President John Mahama Baheno, or my forensic auditing also. I'm already who come say a kebi anywhere by Sikebi anywhere until there was Anka Archbishop Nicholas Danta Williams Eba Bontimbe patch or say Sani Nina so Jina so they train one every National Cathedral issue Nimono or yes sorry. And no Kodantia almost as we didn't come say Prophet Owusu Bempah yes Sanema Wenano just to resurrect his dead career. Meaning say na so no egu na emu no na me din a woni ti no all the time e was so to me can sema e ma na trendy by so doing no obi abon say Prophet Owusu Bempah is still doing the work of God. Ebusi comment section one mo ya wo dia drop a comment na me how a wo se faje yensem
yeah pronouncement Owusu Bempah say wa beto abama NDC MPP bia no akeso
2020 to akeso me hu TikTok habi ono so busa say MPP a case meant to abama MPP a case policies MPP they are enjoy and also so
never then
we should give these things they are no more relevant also Bempah be catch say no me da mahama now if funda cat say ne dinachi funda come here dinachi into want me mayor president
muja won inside again
now he's trying to say so on mahama be president I don't know how he made it. But MPP for any him say nyoma bi ayeye our actions and inactions
including one
for bufu including one who Owusu Bempah okotwi to threatening obi an o pesa abai ni jan
yes
me pa so what ase the woman say ene no aso for na dan competition no man who say ade ni nyina akodi ba bi fa akọ nti say wa me kasa me antie e be kasa e bi kura wawu ana say na asori nagu
na o ma sori nagu
for now no
Bempah mama chiro ade so o pa hwe o ma sorry ni yo o mu video no the cameramen are very tactical
oh yeah
so what I say it's really restricted to a certain place
and
you okona bebreba asori na gu anyina empty
yeah and the woman say and then after the then Owusu Bempah meka we nyina before the democracy and the attack demonstration no ni Ghana hana
possible.
After the demonstration, who nipe pulling out because they decided to sabotage the demonstration. A week to the demonstration, Ashanti region, and Monday, no question Thursday, no. I make already also Ashanti region. Baby, I be could be NDC for na trauma for and a honey then I didn't and a demonstration, no. Opa nyebi omuke kaya by nipe koyen. And woman who say. MPP is becoming more attractive.
It's already
into Owusu je neko kanwe na Ghana for who say it is a case.
Okay.
So what the metro no. But enye no na Ghana for Ghanaians are fighting for their daily bread.
That's right.
And it's not about who cares them. Me pacho me boa. Kai Burkina Faso abani here for tomatoes. Enye 3 months ni.
Yeah.
Abai Faso the pragmatic measures ba be tuko emu dia solve the tomato issue. And onim tomato buo. The intra make us 4 months. Say a door tomato swa. And then kayete. Me pacho so atate. Omuka so me twa say 100 million be the kwa solve the tomato issue. Meboa. Eti kasa 100 million ni ye adwuma and then ka tomato boyefo. And so net tomato yetimi yi ba kuma 10 cedis. Enti Owusu Bempah de adwuma de ne be ya na de ne yere say wa migrated from the father to Goro boy.
Okay.
And some of Beka Bechewe. Owusu Bempah is now the Goro boy of John Dramani Mahama. Nti me anya me mama. Eni some of Beka. Duncan Williams born anado abasun nsem nyina.
Yeah.
Ekowi akire wo say enye Duncan Williams ne beka as watching who free National Cathedral Board because of sikadie bi akoso. And so abai ba ye auditing.
Yeah.
Ekoye forensic audit. Ezi omuso say ye ba ye forensic audit no. Omuso say de minim say bibi wo forensic audit.
No audit beyond forensic.
Ba omuka so omusa de kwa ye.
Omukwa antoa ngaza.
Antoa. Duncan Williams so wetima ba be pache.
No.
Odo da
I say a mom pay magalam say na yensase no ya point.
Mama nka we bi na yenye. Honestly say well. Owusu Bempah ni kwa say o man mileage. No. Wage me for.
Oh,
that's too harsh.
Yeah, that's not harsh.
Kafrache.
Oh, bruh, that's not harsh.
Adabraka.
See, I can't cry na mana draw. Jimmy, Iman in Tema. At the time, was over Jackasa da. Wait, Jimmy for. Even you, more politicians, na mope.
Sure.
Quite a kufa the father who didn't go to tree with Bempah. Means I never got it.
Okay.
Because Owusu Bempah cannot convince me to even drink water.
How much more to convince you to vote?
Oh no, he can read. How can he tell me how to vote?
Yeah, I get it.
To the point say kufa the corner so them command horn of the altar. Who are you now?
Yeah.
Vikings no more ba no more boom. NB or the man.
You will be there for you.
I'm sure that Rebecca Kratam to you that day.
You will be there for you.
Oh no. If any more be share people for
Rebecca Kratam.
Microphobia, no go to microphobia. Some Owusu Bempah be and also a chaplain to the country. So Assembly of God so for no audience or a chaplain for Ghana because the President Mahama na sorry ba. It you know abrofo no kire president ni say gains no in grasses munya no what ya no so support no we support na the crachi. We are winga my Assemblies of God na wings no edru. O man na ide ja Mahama no so se Mahama. It no kono tum. Na abrofo no munum de omoka. Nti Mr. Honesta na semba men sombio. And I agree with Bempah. Me dem wonu say why no political move.
Yeah.
Political golo boy. Go for say o following. Oni ni congregation so atikura na say the density engine no or the assembly go 40
to train.
You know. The Islam for the Susuru Bawumia no. Especially NDC for me Islam for. Say ni mampuzi na o ye na hard you know. Kremon they hard because Kremon they some doors.
Yeah.
But they really a fear, a tangible. You can feel it. And no matter I attend you. Anytime we not time they be as well trophy we say. Open nipa the last 30 years I say 393 coming. Politicians are rising to that level, president and vice president. My parents also a fine or dreaming or ideas or komapa or be our class or a saint Bawumia. Yes, you can leave the presidents out, of course. They are presidents. Yeah. But who else? Who else?
Social media video be trending.
Yeah.
There was this young teacher, I won't say or tried or I think say I don't know whether one of these villages. And I can't come say class veteran ya can't no true challenge say who is the current vice president of
Bawumia.
In fact, Obusa more than almost all of them. They said they was trying instead of say what happened and say if you say Bawumia, no, we say okay. If you say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, no, we say Dina.
And it's true. And Kwabena, on say, and attending in no, or no, the hypo. The good news about him, no, that's never been hyped. The MPP has not even been hyping it. But it's feelable for whoever you are, wherever you are. Look, to be honest, me MPP kakra. Baba Bawumia na my MPP pa. This time in a t-shirt kwamesh. Me she be that. Abo. Me she be that. From a dubwa hentai. Na me swa me hunu nyina bi. Me she be that besin there. More thing test concra or campus crowd. Me call MC. Me say kufa do buy baby campaign. I was the MC. I was wearing smoke, white smoke, black colors. No handkerchief, no muffler. Because say the city team no me pesa. But Bawumienti, I will want to wear something from the MPP. Not because of the MPP now, you know. Even if it was NDC, you know me, I would have campaigned for him. Yeah. Because it's about the man.
His ideas.
The ideas are rich. MPP try send go no kra say be friend this ebusuam na so abeka yensa na afi was so to nya papa na on your opportunity as serve as vice president for 8 clean years, not a single scandal. Ko ikan kwasa sem fa na me ka say do kan ngwas ma say me pa malik bas intellectual. Say see you now in India na India. Everything he said about Bawumia was completely nonsensical. First of all, they are untrue, they are not factual. Why would I even worry myself? It is again say, well, no, to one million ben or nothing. I mean, ben or anything come out. So, Jamia Kazach say, what about Trump? If we Jimmy for now, no man can, no man. He's a no man walking. What I say? What is it about this man? Apart from that prophet and I say, we for the dinosaur. You know, debut.
What has even been his?
Yeah, he can't write his own name. So, it would have. Naze oase kwenye Japan when ya bro president was Max de Cardinal American campaign manager. Max me convince me say me to aba ma wo kwenye Japan. Na Max how can he convince me? Card o ka se me talk we am to because I know say that is the area. But politics who's a Max de kind of brother. So na biographic ma work. Who be that na you. So please, I say Democrats na American.
Yeah.
Omo per black votes na. Omo fa black say nyina say be Jimmy.
Yeah, Jimmy, yeah.
On fa nyansani blacks a child there war universities professors at BBB. Omumfa biama. Omakofa Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson cannot write his name. He can't read. Mayweather cannot. Black community. Campaign. Trump saw all that. The Trump boss uncle for no matter how hard Kamala tried. Kamala being a female and after Barack party. Kamala and Guazibi Obeje or Trump was because Trump saw it and exposed it fast. Don't let anybody waste their time with Owusu Bempah.
Okay.
He's a fool.
Gidi, when I cover by, who will be kind of sorry, so
maybe sometimes, you know, I know say as of was and bar, and I can hear me still be kind of about
the answer is
but we share the post channel they can say now. I say, oh, your deputy God. Oh, to be frank, because you cannot say. It's like you are threatening a voter. Because nipare na tima eni ofili se NDC ko ye mana obetu na ba me NDC ofili se NDC ko ye no betu aba me NPP. The person is deciding for his or herself. So me could make a decision ma me ho na me hu ne se bebo me shouldn't curse me for making a decision for myself. Because first of all,
that's what he said. So be curse.
Quote unquote. So okay. If the people that you are cursing, Ghana for now beto about people now cursing, it's our change beto. So now I go bomb page Yakubon say we cursing na. Now sorry man en kan was on the man. Collection now of omun kan.
So you na sorry ba dia won kan.
Oh you na sorry ba won kan. Now change be affected.
Kwamna wa ma hana me ma uhumi have you. Where Jimmy for? What's my pay Jimmy for?
When the course of Afro City Extra, Mr. say, "Why don't you be an over drop on the comment section? I've only done one. Me a domano so no one subscribe. Send me a plebeian. Unsa able to make